Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This could have ended far worse. Who can guess what she was looking at instead of the road? This driver is either on the gas or on the brakes. No in between. Just trying to get to work in the morning safely. This driver gambles on a right turn and craps out. This pickup truck is driving on the sidewalk for no reason. Too close for comfort? Was I the idiot? Always wear your seatbelts. Almost hit by a Tesla who decided to start going on a red after being stopped. Left turns are hard. Shouldn't have let the first turn influence me.
Twenty minutes later.
Head-on collisions are the worst. Not the worst I've seen here, but still a stupid move.
And when we stepped into evening air, I switched back into a Turan so I could properly articulate something I'd been thinking for several hours. "Lucius," I said, "it occurs to me it would be nice to fight someone whose ability is somewhat closer to..."
At least he said sorry, I guess. I think everyone should have to take another driving test every 3 years. Reflexes might have saved me from a head-on here.
They weren't like this. I don't think they were red last year, though. Were they? Jesus Christ.
I guess red lights are more of a suggestion now. Have to be either blind or stupid for not noticing the open trunk.
The fuck?
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.